Hey folks, Ben from Smoking Hot Confessions here. It's done and dusted at here in Louisiana at the Hammond BBQ Challenge. And now that the dust has settled and it's time to relax, Robin from Winks BBQ is here to have a bit of a chat with me. How's the weekend been for you, Robin?
It's been great. The weather has been absolutely beautiful, and Hammond is a great town. We love it.
I've been really impressed at just how the whole community gets behind it. We've basically shut down two sides of the main street. It's incredible.
Absolutely. They do a really good job here in Hammond. Jody and Eric both are very committed to the contest and to all of the contestants, people who enter, and all of the community who come and support it, you know, with all the vendors and all that. They're very good to get all that together.
It's a very good show, I do have to admit. So how many years have you been coming to this festival?
I think this is our third year.
And what is it that keeps bringing you back?
We just like Hammond. My husband was raised in Slidell, so it's really close to his roots. And last year we won this contest, so we're hoping to at least do well. So
right, okay. So tell me about Winks BBQ.
We've been cooking since 2011. I got a cooking class at Myron Mixon's cooking school for my husband and I, kind of a surprise thing. And he's always been interested in barbecue. His family always cooked a whole hog every year, all the elders out over the fire, and you know, all night long. And then they shared all the good pork that they cooked. And so he'd always been interested in that, and then he kept following it. We were seeing, I don't think it was called Pitmasters way back then, but you know, some of the barbecue shows that had Myron Mixon on TV. Yep. And so I got us a class, and after the class, we decided to start competing. We started in 2011, like I said. We competed in 4 contests. The very first contest we competed in was at Dothan. Myron was there. We got 3rd place chicken, I think, or 2nd place chicken, one or the other. We won $400, and that was all it took. That was all it took. We started buying more smokers and a bigger rig, and we cooked a really long time in a 14-foot trailer where we'd have to push everything out of the trailer and cook on the ground, and we paid our dues doing that. And after, you know, we were doing pretty well, put the money back in, you know, and so that we were able to get something a little nicer, this rig here. So we've had a lot of different kind of smokers, but we've kind of settled on what we have now, and we're happy with it.
On that topic then, can you tell me about what's inside the rig and what you're smoking on?
Sure. Up front's where we sleep. It's up over the over the bed of the truck. It's a 5th wheel. It's a bed, and the next part is like a living area with a slide out and full bathroom, which is really nice because you have to shower after you barbecue because you're smoky and dirty. Yeah. And then there's a full commercial kitchen with a refrigerator, freezer, ice maker, stainless steel countertops, you know, stainless sinks.
Sounds like heaven.
Stainless sinks. It's really nice. And then out back is a porch that has gull wing doors that open, and all of our smokers are out there. Makes it really easy.
Oh, that sounds so good. I'm at the stage where I'm still pushing my smoker up into the back of an 8x4 trailer. Yes. So, you know, I've still got the lower back sprains to prove it. So the idea of some of this, that's my idea of heaven. Right. So talking about the smokers, what smokers are you cooking with?
Well, today we're using a drum smoker that was custom built by Jason Whitcomb. He was the pitmaster, one of the pitmasters for Unknown Barbecue. That's an mainly FBA team down in South Florida. Anyway, he built this smoker. I saw it. I said, I have to have it. He wasn't willing to sell it right away. It was his personal.
So you stole it? Okay.
No. It was his personal smoker, but he decided to sell it, so he contacted me, and we arranged to, you know, pay for it. And his dad actually brought it about halfway for us. It's white pearl, powder coated, and it's the most beautiful smoker ever.
How do you keep it clean though?
It's powder coated. You just clean
wipe it down.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Spray oven cleaner on it and wipe it. Well, not exactly that, but cleaner, and it dissolves all the grease, and you just rinse it off. It's great.
Oh, lovely.
Right, and then we have a RECTEC, a small RECTEC. I don't know all those numbers, but we have a big RECTEC at home that we used to use. Now we use a smaller RECTEC. and you just turn it on and set it to whatever you want. In 15 minutes, it's up to temp, and it holds that temp, and it's a great little pellet smoker. We love that thing. And then we also have an Old Hickory Ace, I think is which one we have.
Right. And which is your personal favourite out of those three? Probably the white one, because you seem to, your eyes lit up when you talked about it.
Well, I like the drum smoker. I really do, because it's pretty. But, I mean, last weekend in Pensacola, I cooked homemade cinnamon rolls in the RECTEC, and they were the best that a lot of people that tried them have ever eaten. So, yeah, I kind of like the RECTEC. It's kind of like an oven. I like it.
Fair enough. So it's not long now till awards. What are you quietly crossing your fingers for?
We just want to hear our name called. You know, you just want to get at least one call. You don't want to get skunked. So that's what we're hoping for.
All right, sounds good. Well, best of luck with it, and I hope to see you up there.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
Appreciate it.